Okay. All right. No, go that way a little bit. Nope. Nope. Right.
I'm Jen from Cosmetology, and I want to do a product review on Gtechniq Smart Fabric because it is one of my favorite products to use because it works really well. This is going to be great for any kind of fabric surface, and it's really good with repelling water, especially on convertible tops. I would definitely suggest using it for maybe a automobile that you have a lot of children in that like to spill stuff everywhere. So if you spill something and you don't have time to like see that it's spilt right away, it might pool up, and then when you stop, you'll see it and you'll be like, oh my God, this is amazing. So you can get a 250 milliliter bottle for $24.99, a 500 milliliter for $45, and then a 1,000 milliliter, like I think this one is, for about $85. But if you have a wholesale account with detailedimage.com like myself, you can actually get it for cheaper. So I'm going to drop that link below. Just click it and sign up and you'll get a little discount. And it's not only on this, they have hundreds of products on there by different brands. So it's pretty cool. I would suggest logging in on a computer because you can actually see the product, you can see the retail price, you can see your price and the percentage that you're saving. So check it out. Today we're gonna be detailing this 1987 Porsche Carrera cab. Now, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting this on this convertible top. The reason why I like this product than others is because, first of all, there's no streaking when you apply it, and also that it works the first time. What we did is we washed this and used a convertible top cleaner. I used a horsehair brush to kind of agitate it and get it in there. One other thing that we did is we made sure that we got all the dust, all the hair, anything on top of this convertible top off. So I put it in this little bottle. I like these bottles because they spray a nice fine mist. This does come with a spray trigger, but what I like to do is I just put it in a smaller bottle. I really like these IGL bottles. Okay, it's probably not good to put one product in another product bottle, but whatever. You need gloves. I prefer maybe wearing a mask too because this stuff stinks. It's pretty strong. And when you're doing it on interiors of vehicles, if you plan on giving that, I just wouldn't plan on giving it back to the customer that same day because it smells, like I said, really bad. It's pretty strong. We're gonna be applying this to it and working it into the fibers, so let's go. So what I'm doing is I'm putting towels down because this stuff, I just don't want to spray in the paint. I don't want it to spray on anything. Have I noticed any sort of direct damage from it when it's happened before, when I was a beginner? No, but still less cleanup is a lot easier than having to, clean it up. Now, this is pretty difficult, okay? So watch carefully. So I am just kind of working this into the fibers so it gets in there. And there's other products that I've used before where you'll do this and you can see it starts streaking and it's just not pretty. So I'll go around the whole convertible top with this and then I will go around one more time. And like I said, if it gets on the surface of the paint or the windows, I've never had an issue with it. I would just take a quick detailer or glass cleaner and wipe it off as soon as you can. I will say that I do have customers that come back and they tell me that their convertible top looks a lot darker, or just like it's brand new again. One thing that people have asked me is though that if they've used something else, or I've never had them ask me if they've used this, but they'll say, oh, my results didn't work that well, it didn't last very long, or it was very spotty. And I'm like, okay, well, explain to me your process. And then they'll start and they'll say that they spray it on and they start rubbing it with a towel.
Are you stupid or something?
Well, first of all, you gotta think about it. That towel is probably soaking that product up, so you're not getting the full effect. So just put some gloves on, use your hands. It's gonna be okay. We probably went through about, I'd say like 150 milliliters for this convertible top. And then say maybe in an hour, I'm probably going to do it again. So we're looking at about 300 milliliters per treatment. And then I sell this for $100. So, I mean, think about how long that took me. And then if my customer wants to do it himself, he can. And I suggest it. But if not, usually people are like, I just want you to do it. So here we are. And that's what I got. Right? Now, if you have any questions or want any other products to review, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.